Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking, thank you for stopping by. I hope you guys are good and fine. By the way, today's video is going to be very brief. I think these days I don't want to give you guys too long videos. Anyways, I just want to give you an update, maybe for those who might be coming to this area. As you can see now, you see that I'm currently in Lowyat. Okay, Lowyat. Actually, Lowyat is like the technology hub here in Malaysia, one of the biggest. Okay, you can see that is Plaza Lowyat. Okay, so that's Malaysia's largest IT lifestyle mall. Anyways, I wanted to come and fix my camera. My camera had an issue, and I was thinking, okay, let me just come and fix it here. Okay, since I bought it here actually, and I don't want to scatter the camera, so I just wanted to come and get it done or fixed. It even has warranty. So initially I wanted to just come and use the warranty and maybe claim another one or add money or something like that. Just do something or repair it. If they repair it and they can give me back, I think I'll still be fine. But anyways, I came here all the way from my house and only for me to get an information that I'm going to share with you guys in this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, and yeah, it's a happy family, join us. If you are a returning subscriber, you're always here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much with all of my heart. And let's go straight to the video right away. All right guys, welcome back. So yeah, there's some information I got here. I was telling you guys the story of how I came here and all that. I didn't complete my story. So the first information you need to know now is that they open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, I think that is just during this pandemic time, and that has been for a while now. So hopefully the information will be useful for many of you. But normally I think they close till around 10. I think they open around 9 or 10 and close till 10 normal time. But now they open from 11 a.m. and close around around 8 p.m. Secondly, I noticed that the camera shops are not open, and some other shops they only allowed the phone shops and the laptop shops to open and operate at this time, which is quite strange. But yeah, it's a way of reducing the spread of the COVID pandemic. This pandemic is just so terrible. I just pray that things get better, guys. Like, it's becoming so critical. And yeah, let me just show you guys a little of what is inside. I'm not really here to vlog about the place, but let me just show you. Okay, so you can just go inside. Everything is open. They have all the doors are open and all that. So you just go inside basically, and just want to show you this. Okay, I'm back. Can I take the scanning? I already come before. Okay, thank you. So normally you scan here. I already entered before. Then you take your temperature. Show you guys. And yeah, so the shops are open. I just show you guys very briefly. Actually, I don't want to vlog so much. I'll just show you the one I can show you. Let's see. So the shops are open. Asus guys are there. So yeah, shops are still open. Everything is open, but the camera shops are not open. I didn't even take note until I went and looked for the ones I was looking for. So phone shops are all open. If you want to repair your phone or you want to buy phone accessories, you can get them. Okay, those ones are still open, but camera shop not open. I don't know which other shop is not open, but yeah, so I don't want to go up and all that. But yeah, from this is G, ground floor, then you can go to UG and all those other floors. All those shops are not actually open, some of them. Okay, if I go now, they'll start calling me, hey bro. They're already calling me before I decided to record this. Okay, so yeah, all your laptop stores are still here. If you want to repair laptop, want to repair phone, I think it's just to ensure that people are not too much in the mall basically. Maybe that's why they took that measures. But what do you guys think? I don't know. That's Samsung and all this. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a good measure? Let me just go up one bit. So that's it. So I was quite like, wow, after coming all the way to come and get this thing fixed, and I couldn't get it fixed. It was really somehow to me, guys. I won't lie to you, but it's okay. I think at the end of the day, I got an information for you guys. So that's what I said. Let me just quickly share with you guys in this video very quickly, so that you know why you are coming here in case you want to come. Okay, so I just show you. But the repairs, all those people, they are there, they are still repairing and all that. This is UG. Actually, I bought the stuff from these Trillion cameras. Okay, the Trillion camera people, but you see, they are not around today. They are closed. So I'll just go and show you the ones I work with today. That helped me to fix my phone and all that. Hope you guys are even hearing me. So yeah, so repairers, all those people are still there, and yeah, all these ones are there. All the repairing people and all those ones, they are there. They are there. They are there. This was where I fix my stuff. How are you? Okay, I'm back. I said let me just keep record of what's happened today. Yeah, because I'm a YouTuber. Okay, I wanted to repair my camera. So this was the shop I actually fixed the phone. I just bought a case for my phone and all those things. How are you, sir?
Fine.
Fine, fine, huh? Fine. Okay.
You got your mic ready over there?
Yeah, yeah, that one was good. Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Okay, so they sell all those things. iPhone. I didn't even know that it was real iPhone. I was asking them, is it real? They say, yeah, it's real, but it's fairly used. So you can see the prices if you guys want. Okay, they are in UG. And even see phone of 269. Wow, quite fair. But they are fairly used. So I think they also have new ones and all that. So you can just see their shop. It's like a real me kiosk. Okay, I just said let me promote you. All right, thank you. This one is wireless keyboard, right?
Yeah, wireless.
Okay, they are wireless keyboards. You have the prices, 89, and the other one is 69. The glass, yeah, I also changed my screen. The not screen, but the screen protector. Anyways, take care. Where is the other lady? She left.
The
girl.
Toilet.
Oh, okay. The girl that actually fixed the thing, she went to the toilet. Okay. Anyways, tell her that I just come to greet you. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna go up because I'm actually late already. You guys already seen this mall. If people want to see themselves, okay, let me just go one floor up and show you what's happening. You can see people are here. Everything is still normal. Just make sure you protect yourself. But I'm still wondering what yardstick they use to make decision of saying camera shops should not be open and all that. What do you guys think? Do you think it actually makes sense? Yeah, it should. Basically, it should make sense. I think they have done a lot of consultation before doing that. But of course, a lot of people feel it. How are you? Repairing, huh? Yeah. Hey, okay. How are you? Yes. Hope you are fine.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So now you're closed already, right?
Yes, close.
Closing by 8.
No.
But you have to close now 7.
Yes, 7. Close 7.
Okay. Because of pandemic.
Yes.
But before this pandemic, what time do you close?
Tomorrow.
Normal.
Today open, tomorrow close.
Oh, no, I mean before COVID. Before COVID.
Yes, before COVID 24 hours.
24 hours?
Yes.
Oh, you open here at 1 a.m.
Yes. This is my credit card.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
this is his credit card, guys.
Yes.
Uniticam.
Yes.
Wow, Uniticam mobile.
You want the post on the
Okay,
Facebook?
YouTube. Yes.
Show me your channel.
Okay, I show you my channel, Explore with Bolu. Explore. So, guys, I've gotten new subscribers today.
Yes.
Explore with Bolu. They subscribe to the channel,
Yes,
like and share.
Like and share.
So, guys, okay, Explore. So let me check. Explore. Explore.
Please like and share.
Please like and share.
Please.
Explore with Bolu. Okay, the first one. It's even the first here.
Yes.
Yeah, that's my channel.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Subscribe, huh? All right. Okay, have a nice time, bro.
Okay.
Take care. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I think I've done a lot. Not going up again. I won't be tempted. It's just the same thing, guys.
A few inches later.
Okay, so my friend is back. I wanted to show her on the YouTube today. Yeah, she's the one that fixed my phone. Thank you. All right. This is YouTube channel, huh? Okay, yeah. So I promote your shop, eh? Oh, that's the name of your shop? Sell Tech, guys. Please come here and patronize them. If you come here, fix your phone, beautiful cases, and the phone also fairly used, right? And this lady is so good, and this man. All right, take care of yourself. Thank you. Oh, how are you? Fine, huh? All right, thank you so much. Okay. All right, people are actually very friendly. A lot of people are here now. People are actually plenty here at the moment. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, I think. So you can see the camera shops are closed. This is Canon closed. The one I bought from is actually something trillion. Let me check their shop. I show you that their shop is actually closed. They are just close to these Lenovo people. So you see, they are closed. That is these trillion people, right? They are closed. So if you want to get camera, you won't see them at this time. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. You guys should take good care of yourselves and stay safe. But these ones did something good. They were able to put their contact here, that if you need anything regarding this, please contact them. So you can actually contact them if you have any challenge but the other guys did not put any contact for people to contact them if you have a challenge, and I felt it was not really nice enough. So I hope they see this video, fix that, because they're going to be having customers even though they are not allowed to open now, you know. So at least if we have challenges, we need to be able to contact them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. But guys, this place is beautiful. I won't lie to you, it's so beautiful, and you just want to come here, and even if you're not buying anything, you just want to come here and enjoy yourself, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. How are you? Okay, so the restaurants are actually open now at this time. That is Razik something. I don't know what that one is doing, but yeah, they have their food and everything. I'm not going there because they will start contacting me. Anyways, that's how the old place is at this time. Just want to show you just a little bit of stuff around. Oh, okay. So I will be going back to the train station now, and I will show you guys maybe my movement or something, I don't know. So yeah, this is what is happening, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you like what you see? Do you like what you see? Anyways, guys, you guys should take good care of yourself. That's just the story I wanted to tell you, in case you may want to come here at this period of COVID. I think things are not really perfect yet. You can, if you want to fix your phone, they are open, but if you want to fix something with regards to what I just shared with you, they are not yet opened. Okay, cameras are not opened and some other stuff like that. But yeah, overall it's still nice, still okay. Things are still moving very well around this area. The area seems to be even very active, I think, than some other places. As you can see, people were actually much there, so you just need to be very careful when dealing with some of the things in this place. Okay, so for transportation, there's a monorail just near here. That's what I used, so you can use as well. There's also MRT from this Lowyat Plaza. You can use that as well. Till I see you in the next video, stay positive, stay safe. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Much love, and God bless you. Bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm at the train station now. This is the monorail train station. We are going to KL Central, and the train is arriving. Okay, I think it's arriving. I think so. Guys, let me try to show you. Yes, that's the train. And people are really much, like seriously. Wow. People are much.